It's October 10th, 2021. A little update on the Nova. A lot of people have asked me for updates, so the car does smog now. New converter, rebuilt carburetor. Been to Azusa Canyon today, 2 weeks ago, Mount Wilson, and Wrightwood, California. Car is performing excellently. Just waxed it today. Please remember, if you like it, click the like button. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. I'll show you folks the engine now, everybody who wants to see it. Hang in there with me, please. We cleaned it up a little bit. Put new spark plugs at the same time as we did the converter and the carburetor rebuild to pass smog. Haven't really had a problem passing smog in 12 years, but I guess time caught up with us. So the car's got 131,000 original miles. I'm the third owner. Have the car for 12 years. It's amazing how it runs up in the mountains with high altitude, around the corners. Unbelievable. I will shoot a video next time that will show you from the road some of the beautiful scenery going up in the mountains. The car does have a magnaflow muffler, which we'll have you listen to now in just a sec. I'll do an interior video another day, but I wanted to shoot this while I had time today. Since I put the new converter in, there's a little less back pressure, so the magnaflow muffler sounds even more aggressive. Watching the video today, and there'll be more to come. Any questions, please feel free to ask anytime. Any specific things you want to see on the video, let me know. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.